Good morning student, welcome to online classes. In class 7 we are going to discuss about integers. We have already studied about integer in class 6, but let us try to recollect the main points again. Okay, so what is an integer? A set of negative numbers 0 and positive number is known as integer. This means integer comparison of set of negative numbers along with the set of whole number. Any number to the right to 0 is positive number and any number to left to 0 is negative number. We can represent integer on the number line. Looking any number to the right of 0 is positive number. This is your positive number. And any number to the left of the 0 is negative number. Okay, we can represent integer on the number line. First condition, all negative numbers are less than 0. All negative number are less than 0. And second, 0 is less than all positive numbers. 0 is less than all positive number and all negative number are less than positive number. 0 is neither positive and nor negative. Okay. And next topic is absolute value of integer. What is absolute value of integer? Absolute value of integer is the distance of the integer from 0 irrespective of direction. For example, -5 and +5 are the same from 0. -5 and +5 same distance are 0. So both have the same absolute value. Absolute value of an integer x is denoted by mod of x. Then 5 is absolute value is 5 and -5 is absolute value also 5. Okay. Then the third rule of addition of integer. Rule of addition of integer. Addition of integers. When we add integer with the same sign, we add their absolute value and the sign common to them is take up. Okay. First condition is when we add integers with same sign, either both positive or both negative. Same sign we add their absolute value. We add their absolute value and sign common to them is taken up, and the sign common to them is taken up. For example, 10 plus 20, the sign of 10 is positive and the sign of 20 is also positive. So we take up the positive sign, the sum of either absolute value, 10 की absolute value 10 and 20 की 20. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Okay. Now the next example. Minus 5 and minus 7. The sign of 5 is negative and the sign of 7 is also negative. At their absolute value, take up the sign common to them. And this absolute value, minus 5 plus minus 7. Okay. First go to minus 7, then we move 7 step to the left of 5, we reach at minus 12. Okay. तो देखिए minus plus minus and minus minus also plus, 7 and 5 are adding, then we get 12, but 7 is greater and it's have minus sign, then also used in minus. Okay. Now the next topic, subtraction of integer. Subtraction is the inverse process of addition. So subtraction can be explained in the terms of addition. Now the next topic, subtraction of integer. Rules of subtraction. First rule, x and y are two integers. Rule first, x and y are two integers. In the event we want to subtract x from y, change the sign of x and add it to y. If x is minus x and add to it y, add to it y, then we get minus x plus y, and we also write y minus x. Okay. For example, subtract 9 from 15. subtract 9 from 15. Okay. Change of the sign, -9, and add to it 15. Nine, change to the sign -9 and add to it 15, or also written as 15 minus 9, we get 6. Okay. Now come on the exercise 1.1, and question number first, fill in the blanks. First question, all negative number are less than what? The answer is 0. And second question, dash is less than all positive number, and also its answer is 0. 0 is less than all positive number. And third, all negative number are dash than all positive number. All negative number are less than all positive number. The answer is less. And next, dash is neither negative nor positive. 0 is neither negative nor positive. The answer is 0. And next, absolute value of integer is represented as what? Mod. The absolute value of integer a is represented as mod of a. Now the next question, state true or false. When we add integer with same sign, the sign of the sum total will be same as the sign of the integer. What? True or false? The answer is true. Then when we add two integers with same sign, if look at the blackboard, if plus 5, 9 is positive and 5 is also positive, then we get 14. So this answer is true. Now the next part, when we add integer of unlike sign, the sign of the sum total will be sign of the larger value of integer. Then it also true. The answer is true. When two opposite signs are placed side by side, the sign of result will positive? No. How? If -9 plus 3, then we get -6. Okay? This is not positive. So the answer will be false. Now the next, when two negative signs are placed side by side, the sign of the result will be positive? No. False. How? If -5 plus -4, then we -5 plus minus plus 5 and 4 we get 9, but also minus in here. Okay, so the result will be false. Now the third question, write all integers like between number third. Write all integers lying between. Okay, if question number first is -9 and +9, so we know that right of the zero is a positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and left of the zero is negative number. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 and -9. Okay, then we are looking 9 and -9 lying between these numbers. What number? -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this answer will be integers lying between -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the next part is question. -20 and -10. Now the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, dot 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 is -20. Okay. What number lying between -20 and -10? So looking here, -20 क्या हो जाएगा? -19, -18, -17, -16, -15, -14, -13, -12, -11. इसके बाद ये -10. Okay, so the number lying between -20 and -10 is this number. This is your answer. Now the question number 4. Arrange the following integer both in ascending and descending order. Question number 4. Descending order. Now the first question, -7, -9, -2, 0, 8. What is the ascending order? Ascending order means to arrange the number from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, and what is descending order? Descending order means to arrange the number from biggest to the smallest. So first ascending order smallest to biggest. So what is your smallest number? This is -7 and then -2, 0, 8, 9. Smallest to biggest. Okay, and next descending order. Nine, biggest to smallest, 9, 8, 0, -2 and -7. Okay, next question. Next question, -20, -26, 0, -30, 20, 26. Okay, ascending order, smallest to biggest. So smallest is what? -26, then 20, -30, 0, 20, 26. Okay, now the descending order, biggest to smallest, 26, 20, 0, -13, 20, -26. Okay, this is your answer in ascending order and descending order. Now the next question, which one is greater? Which one is greater? Now the question number first, minus 25 or minus 35. We know that minus 35 is less than minus 25. Okay, so minus 25 is greater minus 35. Now the next question, minus 20 or 15. We also know that all positive number is greater comparison in negative numbers. Then 50 is greater. Minus 25 is greater. And next part of this question, 14 positive में and minus 14. What will be greater? 14 is greater. Okay. Now the next question. Write the successor and predecessor of the following. Successor and predecessor. Successor. What is successor? Plus 1 any digit and we get this number is known as successor. Okay. We also know that in class 6. So minus 29 is a successor will be minus 29 plus 1 equal minus 20 and 8, and predecessor minus 29 minus 1 equal क्या minus 30. Okay. Now the next question. Next question. It is clear what is successor? The number that comes just after a number is called successor. To get successor of any number, we add to 1. Okay. And what is predecessor? To get the predecessor of any number, we subtract 1 from it. Okay. The number comes just before a number is called is predecessor. So next question. Minus 37 is a successor. Minus 37 plus 1. What? Minus 36. And predecessor? Minus 37 and minus 1 minus plus, then we get minus 38. It is clear? Then the next part, this question. Minus 50. It's a successor. Minus 50 plus 1, we get minus 49, and minus 50 minus 1, we get minus 51. It's predecessor. Okay. And the next question will be tomorrow. Okay. Please exercise, do it homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.